Unit 9. Making ice cream. Listening 9. Read and listen.
We're visiting a farm. There are cows, sheep, and goats on the farm. The cows are in the field. They're eating grass. This is the farmer, Mr. James. He's looking after the cows. He gets milk every day from his cows. We can make cheese, yogurt, and ice cream from milk. This is Mrs. James, the farmer's wife. She's making ice cream. She's chopping some fruit. She's mixing the milk with a machine. She's adding sugar and fruit. Now the ice cream is ready. It's cold. And this is me. I'm eating the ice cream. Yum!